To bring pressure on the B.S. Yediyurappa government to consider the demand for inclusion in the reservation category, Lingayats are holding a massive convention in Bengaluru. The community leaders, along with lakhs of followers, took out a Padyatra from Basava Kalyan to Bengaluru. They claim that there are 108 subsects amongst Lingayats. 34 have been granted reservation under 2A category and also OBC status by the government. They want OBC status to be granted to the remaining 74 subsects.
There's a massive convention of more than 1 lakh people over here from the Panchamsali Lingayat community. In fact, they have walked all the way from Basava Kalyan right up to Bengaluru for the past few days, demanding their inclusion in the 2A reservation category. We have with us now to speak to us about this issue, Shri Vachanananda Swamiji. Swamiji, thank you very much for speaking to India today. Tell us, what is your main demand? And I can see a massive crowd over here.
कर्नाटक में जब अंबेडकर जी ने 72 ईयर्स हुआ, उन्होंने रिजर्वेशन आरक्षण जो दिया है, सामाजिक पिछड़ा हुआ और शैक्षणिक पिछड़ा हुआ समुदाय को, लेकिन हमारा कम्युनिटी भी बहुत पिछड़े हुए सामाजिक में और शैक्षणिक भी बहुत पिछड़े हुए हैं. येडियुरप्पा is one of the most commitment CM ever I have seen. I am confident that Yediyurappa, by giving 2A reservation to our Panchamsali community, he will fulfill our social justice to our community.
So, and my final question is, there is also a lot of allegation that this is politically motivated to target the government, especially the Chief Minister.
No, people will say something. I don't hear about that.
Okay.
It left to them. It is purely Panchamsali community. It is for the Panchamsali community, to the Panchamsali community. ये सिर्फ पंचमसाली कम्युनिटी के लिए है, इसमें कोई राजनीति नहीं है.
Thank you very much. In fact, Shri Vachanananda Swamiji very clearly stating that this is only for the Panchamsali community, it's by them. And that's why you can see lakhs of supporters who have actually come over here, all from the Panchamsali community. They have walked from Basava Kalyan right up to Bengaluru. You can clearly see this. They have filled the entire area over here in Palace grounds. And that is their demand. And he believes that Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is a man of his word. He will keep his word and provide them the inclusion in the 2A community. That is the reservation. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.